This is my top 6 my best railway stations, and I'm going to give you it now. Let's get into it. Number 6. Durham Railway Station. Durham Railway Station is on the East Coast Main Line, and it has 2 platforms, and it is a great day out. Number 5. Newcastle Railway Station. Newcastle Railway Station is on the East Coast Main Line, and it has 12 platforms, and it's a great day out as well. Number 4. Manchester Victoria Railway Station. Manchester Victoria is a great day out, and it has 6 platforms, and it's quite a nice station. Number 3. York Railway Station. York has 11 platforms. It's a great day out, and it's a great day out, really, isn't it? So do check it out. Number 2. Liverpool Lime Street Railway Station. Liverpool Lime Street's a great day out, and one of the best things about Liverpool Lime Street is the tunnel just outside Liverpool Lime Street, and it's got 9 platforms, and it's quite an enjoyable day. And finally, number 1. London King's Cross Railway Station. London King's Cross is one of the biggest stations in England, and it has 14 platforms, one of the biggest stations in the world, and it's a great day out.